There is looking all dapper and all handsome.
Hi guys.
Huh.
Ready to go walk?
You too. Enjoy your day. I love you too. It's up.
Can you see me from here?
Yeah. Now you guys will be getting so much sunrise and sunset clips. It's going to be annoying. I hope it doesn't annoy you guys too much. But this is beautiful. This is ridiculously beautiful. Hi you guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I haven't talked to you guys all day, but that's okay. Don't worry. Your girl got you. Your girl got you. Yes, baby. Today is hubby's first day at work, so hubby's gone to work. Leave me. I miss him so much. Today is hubby's first day at work, so he's back at work. Leave us, and we're just home chilling today and trying to get back into the mood of our routine. So I'm just here chilling with Tyler. Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is about 7 a.m. and it's still dark outside, but I had to be up and get my workout in, and hope you guys work out this morning. Hubby's getting ready for work and I'm about to wrap up workout, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm giving you the rusty voice this morning. Workout is done. I'm not feeling too bad, so that's good. Today is what, Friday? Happy Friday, you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful morning, a wonderful night, whatever time of the day you're watching this video. So start of my morning right, start of my day right. Got my workout in, so that's always good to get my workout in the first thing in the morning, because I'm sure if I don't do it in the morning, I won't get my running again for the rest of the day. So wrap up workout, feeling accomplished, and the hubster is getting ready to head off to work, and Tyler is still sleeping. So I'm gonna get a quick shower, make him his bottle, and by then he should be up and be ready to feed. There he's looking all dapper and all handsome.
Hi guys.
Huh.
Ready to go walk?
You too. Enjoy your day. I love you too. It's up.
Can you see me from here?
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, little pumpkin pie. How are you? Huh? How are you? You come to mama? Come to mama. Come. Come on. Come on, you little googly bear. Good morning, pumpkin. Good morning. Say good morning. My boo-boo. You pushing on my face? Not even a kiss? You abusing me the first thing in the morning? You abusing me the first thing in the morning? You. You had a good night's sleep? You had a good night's sleep? Come, let me go make you a bottle. And beautiful day outside with just a little bit of chill, so I just decided to put on a little jacket. You want to say good morning? Yes, come and say good morning. Say hello. Hello everybody. Say hi guys. How are you guys doing today? You don't want to say hello, Luke? He grabbed the camera. Go. He doesn't want to go. He want to stay. No, you can't get it. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. He wants the camera. So you're just gonna come on camera and cry for the camera? Thank you. No, I'm not giving it to you, so no, don't say thank you. Thank you for what? What do you want? Ow! You're pinching me. Ow! 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 You guys, we're having a beautiful day here so far. Woke up this morning and got my workouts in, which is awesome. Made breakfast, look after Tyler, look after myself, and we don't really know what we're doing today. There is a botanical garden just down the street. I think I might take Tyler there after his lunch. What? I realized that he likes to get picked up these days, and that wasn't like him. Give me a kiss. Love you. Don't leave me hanging. Love you. You want to show off your skills? Juju, ow! Juju, ow! Juju, if you pinch me again, I'm gonna tickle you. You have a monster on your butt. You have a monster, a laughing monster on your butt. You have a laughing monster on your butt. You have a laughing monster on your butt. He's so funny. Oh, my little googly bear. That's what's really up for today. I think I might take him to the botanical garden after I give him his lunch. So yeah, it's bright and sunny outside. I think if I go outside I won't need this this sweater, but when you're not in the sun it's just a little chilly, but nothing too that you need a big jacket. Listen, you guys, hubby and I was outside last night counting the you wanna come? What is it? Hubby and I was outside sitting down on the balcony last night counting the amount of planes landed in front of us, because on our balcony we are looking directly at the airport, the airstrip with the blue lights, everything. It's got clear view right in front of us. So I'm actually just looking at planes landing right this minute. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, but right here, that's the airport right here. And that's the beach right there. That's an amazing view. If the palm tree, if this palm tree wasn't there, you guys would get a better view of that way. But it's pretty good from this way. Let me show you. So that's a better view of everything. And in the night, it's just simply amazing out here, you guys. I had to get something to cover. This was an opening right here. So I got this awesome material to cover this, to protect Tyler from throwing his toys down there. I had got something to cover this entire thing, but then I realized that if I do that, I'm going to block out most of the view. So then I went for this and it worked, but I'm not ready yet to cover up here because Tyler can't reach up there. He can't throw anything up there as of yet. So I'm just going to let this stay right where it is for now. So it's been working, so that's amazing so far. So I'm just chilling and looking out into the sea. Listen, you guys, when I'm out here sitting and just looking, your mind just takes you wide and far into the ocean. It's just simply amazing, this view. We've never chose a better spot, and I live for the ocean. Everybody who knows me know that I live for the ocean. I live for the sunset and the sunrise. No, baby, I live for the sunset and the sunrise. The thing is, the sunrise is on that side, and there's a big building, there's another apartment to my left, so I can't really see the sunrise. I only can see the glare in the sky from it. But the sunset, I have the perfect view of the sunset. It's just beautiful. I can just sit out here and watch it all afternoon. It's simply amazing. So we are enjoying this spot so far, so that's good. And it's just to get used to our surrounding and used to the area and everything. So yeah, enough rambling. I'm gonna take Tyler to the botanic later this afternoon, and it's good to have all the space on the balcony because he gets to have his tent out here, which is amazing. His tent don't have to be inside anymore. So I take the carpet and I put his tent on it, which is good, so he can play out here all day long. And it's safe out here, so if I'm sitting in the living room, he can just simply step out on the balcony and he'll be fine, because there's nowhere to go, there's nowhere to fall, there's nothing. It's perfectly safe for him out here. So yeah, that's what's up, you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Bye, guys. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. You cute boy, you. Say bye bye. You're not saying bye bye to the babes? No? Monster butt. Monster butt.